there's someone new! Hey!
Joe's come to a photo shoot themed with loads of big boys' toys, tanks and diggers. It's all very manly.
Scary, isn't it?
They're really moody, actually, really nice. Get in that pocket. Yeah. Right, I think we're good.
Can we just get one with Joe? Oh. I'll get it out in a bit. Screw it, let's carry on.
We did it on purpose then.
Joe's right, that was on purpose. My bag's gone in the hole.
Without the watch.
Yeah.
Thanks. Is this real?
Yeah, of course it's real.
It's nice. Needs a clean, though.
I know, tell me about it, you know, mate.
So I've got a cloth in my bag. Give me a sec.
It does need a clean, mate. You're right, mate.
I'll get it out of my bag. Give me a sec. Hold on. It's all right, I'll just get it from the... Oh, Joe, I'll get it from the bag, mate. It's fine. I'll...
Whoa, 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 whoa! Hey! Mate! Oh! Oh! Stop! Oh! It's not the fucking thing, it's someone new! Hey! There's someone in the fucking stop the thing! What? There's someone in there! There's someone in there! There's someone in there!
Sorry?
There's someone in there!
Where?
In the fucking man! There's someone in there!
What?
There's someone inside! There's someone inside there!
Someone inside where?
In the hole!
What, in there?
Yes!
Hang on, what? Hang on, what?
There's a hole, you just tipped inside!
Wait.
Man! Oh! Open the thing!
Yeah, over there?
Yes, in there!
You want it open?
There's somebody in there! You just have to pick up the hole in it!
Is there a problem, mate?
Oh, man! I thought the fuck in the hole, man! Mate! I thought he was in that hole!
I've got something to tell you. You're not here for a photo shoot. My name is Ben Hanlin. I'm a magician.
You man!
Camera there. Camera's all over.
Sake, man, I can't believe it!